I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone model supports dual SIM. Models from XS, XR onward do. Next, get the carrier eSIM details, a QR code or activation code, because that's how the second line is provisioned. Connect to Wi-Fi and sign into iCloud so your contacts and settings stay intact. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular to start adding a plan. This immediate action avoids delays and lets you move to the next configuration step right away. You now configure each line so calls and data behave predictably. Tap Add Cellular Plan and scan the carrier QR. If needed, enter the activation code manually. After the eSIM appears, assign a clear label such as Primary, Business, or Travel to prevent confusion during calls. Then choose which line is your default for iMessage and FaceTime, and which line provides cellular data. Make sure to select call forwarding or voice line preferences if you want one number prioritized. This prevents dropped calls and billing surprises. Finish by customizing how you use both lines day to day. You can set a preferred line per contact so outgoing calls use the right number. Open a contact, tap Preferred Cellular Plan. Use Control Center to switch cellular data between lines quickly when traveling or conserving data. If activation fails, restart your iPhone first, then verify the eSIM details and MA. If problems persist, contact the carrier. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues because carriers often must enable eSIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.